Click on username. Click IP allow list. IP has been added successfully. Click API. Select as needed. Take India as an example for the protocol. Choose successful and sticky IP. Click to generate API link and open the link. Copy one of the proxy IPs. Open a browser to detect the IP address. The IP address at this time is shown as United States. Select System under Settings and File End. Open your computer proxy settings. Copy the proxy IP in Lunaproxy. Click Save. Redetection found that the IP address had been successfully transferred to India.